Hey everybody. This this isn't normally the kind of video I would post, but I thought this might be worth mentioning. We often get asked what's a good starter drone if you're just getting into drones, um, especially over on DW's channel when we're live streaming. And shout out to old DW. But we get asked quite often, what's a good starter drone to pick up? And we quite often recommend the Parrot Bebop too. And I noticed the price had dropped on this the other day. This is on Amazon. And again tonight, I noticed that the price had dropped even lower. You're getting the Parrot Bebop 2, the Sky Controller 2, and these cockpit glasses, which I've never personally even tried. I would guess they're probably okay, probably nothing fabulous, but if you're into FPV, then that would probably be something that you would like with this kit also. It's listed on Amazon currently at $199.45. This is a refurbished, or as it shows there in the title, it's renewed. So keep that in mind. This isn't a brand new deal, but it comes with a pretty decent warranty. It says product works and looks like new, comes with a 90-day warranty. And I believe it's also backed by Amazon too. This is sold by a third-party seller called Tech Union, which I'm not associated with in any way, shape, or form. But since I get asked quite often about good starter drones, I figured this would be worth mentioning. So you get the complete kit, controller, the bird, glasses. Comes with a 90-day warranty. Let me scroll down here and take a look at that. This product comes with a minimum 90-day supplier-backed warranty. An Amazon qualified supplier will provide replacement or refund within 90 days of your receipt if the product does not work as expected. The warranty is in addition to Amazon's standard return policy. So it looks like you're covered twice there. So by Amazon, and if they're willing to give you a 90-day return policy, then that's pretty decent. Could go over the specs, but you can go over and read all of that yourself if you want. If you're interested, there's the quick specs on it up here. Compact, lightweight, 14 megapixel, full access 3D video stabilization, 25-minute flight time, live HD streaming and/or side-by-side display. Realistically, I would say you'll get at least 20 minutes out of this flight time. I've had, as long as you get a decent battery with it and everything, which I expect you will. But the batteries, even if you don't, they're cheap for this. So, but definitely, I own one personally. I still to this day love flying it. It's GPS drone, so you won't have any problems with that. Like I say, it's a good starter drone. I highly recommend it. I've never done any business with Tech Union. I'm not associated with any way, shape, or form with them. So you don't have. I'll post a link down below, but it's like I say, I get no credit for it whatsoever. So if you want to go straight to Amazon, do a search for Parrot Bebop 2, and then find Tech Union's deal here, then that's fine too. I have no problem with that whatsoever. It says they only have 16 left in stock, which I expect they'll probably get in more, but I don't know how long it'll stay at this price. Like I say, I just noticed that the price had dropped again on it. But it might go up, it might go down, it might go down another $50, who knows. But either way, great deal, great drone. Like I say, I still fly mine today, and never had any issues with it. Never given me any kind of problem. So if you're looking for a starter drone, this is definitely a deal I recommend. But I'm not pushing it for these people. It's just, and I don't normally post this kind of video, but I thought this might be of service to somebody. The deal is valid today, June 6, 2019. So if it changes soon, which it might, then I suggest you go ahead and get in on it while you can. $199.45, free shipping. But this isn't Prime. This isn't Prime shipping, which you would normally get 2-day delivery or whatnot. And it is free, so it's shipped and sold directly by Tech Union. It's not coming from Amazon directly. So more than likely, if you have any issues, you'll need to contact Tech Union. Or if you simply want to do a return, you can contact them or Amazon. But there you go. You're looking for a starter drone? I highly recommend it. It's a great deal. So there you go. If you have any questions or if I can help in any way, post a question down below and I'll do what I can to answer it for you. There you go. Everybody have a great day. Talk to you soon.